So let's start with a couple of circles. I'll lock to this front reference plane and I'll just come out along the x-axis just here, and I'll just draw one circle and I'll put another circle just out a little that just clips into that a little ways. Come up here under rectangle by center, pull down to polygon by center, and I'll put a polygon just up here above the circle, say. And I could offset this or create another polygon. Let's just do an offset. So I'll go to the offset command, identify the polygon, right mouse click to accept. The default's on 7, and I'm good with that. We can go in or out. Let's just go out. Back to the select button. I'll identify this region. Now usually I always grab the ball and we create a protrusion, but this time I'm going to identify that region, and this time we're going to grab the center blue ball. So we come over to the center blue ball that highlights in orange and drag that over to the axis, and that's what we're going to rotate around. So we lock the axis and we see this wheel. I call this the magic wheel. And then we could spin that around 180. If we'd like to close the loop, we come up to extend type and say 360. So that'll close it off. And let's identify the region here. I'd have to zoom in to grab that. So I grab the region here, the polygon, zoom out a little. Again, we want to grab the blue ball. And if you've got to rotate to see that, that's okay. Highlights orange. Come over to the z-axis again. This time, instead of going all the way around, I didn't want to do that, so I'm going to undo, and I'll pick the region again, and I'll grab the blue ball that turns orange and grab it to the z-axis and extend type. I'd like that to be finite. And so now when I grab the magic wheel, and I could come, depending on which way I swing the cursor, go that way, or I could go back the other way. And I just want to spin that around, and it asks me, do you want to put in an actual number? Yeah, and I'll go in 180. So 180. So that's just halfway around and accept. Now let's come back over on the little pull down here and come to the polygon by center again. And this time I'll put a polygon just over where I've got some open space. Just drop it down just here. Grab the region. Again, get the blue ball. And this time I'm going to spin it around an actual line of the sketch. So I drag it over to this line and it locks. Just wait until it locks. There it is. And now I could spin that around, grab the magic wheel. And again, I'm just going to go around 180. That in if I want it exact, 180. There it is. And see how it flips back or forth. I'll go to this side, and then I could come up to thin wall, just thin wall that out. That's very thin there, so let's just go to 3. Still really thin. Let's do 8. So there we've shelled that out.